To begin, raise your wiper arm into the upright position. For easy removal, make sure there is a gap between the top of the adapter and the blade. Pushing down on the tab, pull up on the blade and remove it. This installation will require the included OE adapter. Begin by pressing down on the button while lifting the tab. While bringing the blade to the arm, align the notches on the arm with the notch on the adapter. Holding the blade in place, close the tab to finish the installation. Lower your wiper arm, placing the blade gently onto the windshield. We recommend you test run your wipers to make sure they function as expected.